Guys, welcome to my channel again, and this question is on mapping and functions. So given a function f of x equals 2x minus 3, we have to find number 1, f inverse of x, and number 2, the domain of f of x. So let's quickly just get into the solution. So I'm looking for f inverse of x. How do you find f inverse of x? We just equate f of x into y, all right? So it's going to become y equals 2x minus 3. Then we solve for x, all right? I'll just carry 3 to this other side. If I bring it to this, it becomes y plus 3 equals 2x. Then I'll solve for x. I can choose to write it like this, to just swap it, y plus 3. So how do I find my x? I divide both sides by 2. So it's going to become x will now be y plus 3 divided by 2. All right. Now, next, I'll swap x for y and y for x. So whenever I see x, I'll put y. Whenever I see y, I'll put my x. Then it's going to be y equals what? X plus 3 all over 2. And yes, that is going to be the f inverse of x. Okay? Because x plus 3 all over 2. So that's the answer for that one. And then number 2 says to find the domain of f of x. Now, f inverse of x, sorry. The domain of f inverse of x is going to be the range of f of x, all right? Because they are inverse functions of each other. Inverse functions, they work in such a way as the domain of this one will be the range of this one, all right? And the range of this one will be the domain of this one. So we're looking for the domain of f inverse of x. We have to find the range of f of x. So I'm just going to go ahead and find the range of f of x. So I'll write the original function f of x equals 2x minus 3. And I've been given the value of x to be between 1 and 3. I only choose the boundary numbers, the 1 and 3. All right. So when f of 1 is going to be equal to what? 2, 1 minus 3. And that's going to be 2 times 1. That's 2. So 2 minus 3 is negative 1. And then when x is a 3, I'm going to put it in the original function. That's going to be 2, then 3 minus 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So yeah, the domain of f inverse of x is the range of f of x. And we found the range of x of f of x, which is minus 1 and 3. And that automatically passes for the domain of f inverse of x. Therefore, the domain, which is number 2, the domain of f inverse of x will be equal to what? Negative 1 and 3. We can write it as this: negative 1 less than equal to x, and then x is less than equal to 3. So that is the answer to number 2. You should follow me.